We've been looking at photosynthesis and the idea that plants have the ability to make their own food. They use sunlight and water and carbon dioxide and convert it into sugar. However, if the food isn't required, the plants change it into starch. The practical you're going to look at today shows how we can test for this. First of all, we need a leaf from a plant. Geraniums work really well for this. The first step of the experiment is to put the leaf into some boiling water. This is to kill and soften the leaf and allow the chemicals for the test to actually get into the cells. It needs to stay in there for about 30 seconds to a minute. When it's finished, we can carefully take out the leaf. We now need to put it into a boiling tube containing ethanol. Now, ethanol is flammable, so the first thing we need to do is to switch off the Bunsen flame. Got some ethanol, which I've already put into the tube. Okay? Enough to cover the leaf, should be alright. The tube then goes back into the boiling water to allow the ethanol to do its job. That takes a little bit longer, that's probably about 5 to 10 minutes. By the time it's done its job, what you should find is that the ethanol has gone green, and if we pour it out, we should hopefully see that the leaf is now white. The ethanol makes the leaf quite brittle, so what we need to do is to rinse that in some either water from the beaker or from under the tap. What we then do is we put the leaf onto a white tile, and then we add iodine. Iodine is the chemical that will test for starch. If the starch is present in the leaf will go blue-black. Here's one that you can see has already been tested.